here are some extra tap steps that you should work on that will help the next couple of steps that will be coming up. So, one is the one that we just left with, which is a step ball change. Which can be turned into a flat ball change. So when you're doing the flap, you want to lift up your foot, and instead of just dropping it, you want to add one extra sound, brush down. But you still want to put your weight on it for the flap. Earlier in the dance, we do a slap, which is similar, but it ends with a tap without weight. So a slap is brush tap, and your weight stays in the back leg. A flap is brush step, and the weight transfers. So in this step, it's going step ball change, step ball change, which is why when you make it a flap, you have to get your weight on it. Flat ball change, flat ball change. Again, you can always just keep with the step. You don't have to do the extra brush in front of it if that throws the timing off. Okay, so practice those step ball changes and possibly flat ball changes. The next step I want you to practice is a waltz clog. Step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change, and then 2 steps to finish off the time, step, step. That gets us all the way to count 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. So that's one that I really want you to work on. Here's another one, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. So, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step. Notice that I'm finishing that shuffle off before I do the hop. Then step, step, step. Really make sure you finish that shuffle. Then hop. Sometimes when I teach this, it's a very common mistake to just go like this. Brush. But you really want to get that 2 sounds in there. So that's another step I'd like you to work on. The next one that we talked about is a double shuffle. A regular shuffle, remember, is here. A 1. A double shuffle starts on 1 instead of a 1, and it goes 1 and a 2. So your double shuffle is here. And it doesn't accent until the very end of it. Dee da da da. This side. So the counts are 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. So really work on those, because that will be in another step, and that is a little bit tricky. Okay? So you have 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Other side. You can really hear the difference, hopefully, between a double shuffle and 2 shuffles in a row. Here's a double shuffle. 1 and a 2. Now here's 2 shuffles in a row. And 1 and 2. If you notice on the 2 shuffles in a row, I'm picking and accenting my foot up after each one. Dee da, dee da. 2 shuffles. Dee da, dee da. Double shuffle. Dee da da da. Dee da da da. Left side, 2 shuffles. Up, 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 up. And 1 and 2. Now a double shuffle. Dee da da da. 1 and a 2. Okay, so practice that, and I will see you next time. Thanks.